Load your family into the 2016 Jeep Compass. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Jeep are offered, including an automatic dimming rear view mirror, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a roof rack, and remote keyless entry. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.